ज्ञानम ते अहम सविज्ञानम इदम वक्षयामि अशेषतः यज् ज्ञात्वा न इह भूयो अन्यज् ज्ञातव्यम अवशिष्यते. Hello friends. Friends, this is the second shlok of the 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and in today's video we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the shlok says Jnanam te aham savijnanam, which means about knowledge and discernment I idam vakshyamya asheshatah, which means speak here in its entirety. Yaj gyatva na iha bhuyo, which means knowing which nothing here will be. Anyaj gyatavyam avishishyate, which means else is left to know. So, in this shlok, Shri Krishna is telling Arjun that self knowledge is the entire knowledge, and if a person gains self knowledge, then there is nothing else that is left for him to know. And I am going to now speak about how to attain this self knowledge. So, basically, what Shri Krishna is telling Arjun is that I am going to be providing you the self knowledge, knowing which you do not have to know anything else. Now, when people look at this, they think that by knowing about the self, a person consciously becomes aware of all the knowledge. This is actually not true. This is a very superficial understanding of this statement of Sri Krishna. So let us understand this statement in a deeper sense so that you can get the right perspective of what Sri Krishna actually is saying over here. So basically, when a person gains the knowledge about the self, then he attains yoga, and yoga, as we have all understood, is a situation where a person is attached to the inner divinity. Now, we have already understood that inside us divinity exists, and in chapter 2 we also understood that this divinity is the observer which is present inside us. Now, we have also understood that anything that exists in this universe is existing because it has been witnessed by some observer. So, this divinity which is present inside all the beings, that divinity is aware of all the things that exist in this universe. And if any new thing comes into existence in this universe, then that comes into existence when this observer observes it. So, from this, we can conclude that the observer which is present inside us and which is present inside all beings is the one which knows about everything that exists in this universe. Now, when a person becomes attached to this inner divinity, then he becomes one with this inner divinity, and that way he becomes the knower of everything. Now, you have to understand over here that this does not mean that the person who is attached to this inner divinity is consciously aware of everything. No, that is not even possible. Our brain does not have the capacity to really hold that much knowledge in itself, wherein it is aware of everything. We are not really consciously aware of everything. So, the brain of a self knowledge person is also not capable to know everything, but he knows that he has a connection to this knowledge, and when he will be in the need of this knowledge, then this knowledge will be provided to him through that inner divinity which is present in all beings. So he will get that access when it is needed, and that access he gains by submitting his will to the divinity. And so the divinity then submits its will to that person, and when this person needs any knowledge, this divinity provides that knowledge to that person. So that way nothing is left for him to know, because everything that is there to know, he already has the access to it, and when it is needed, he gets that access. This does not mean that that person is consciously aware of all that knowledge, as in people are conscious about their job, their work, and things like that. They are not really consciously conscious about that thing. That knowledge comes to them whenever it is needed. So that is what Sri Krishna is mentioning over here, that self knowledge is the highest knowledge, and anybody who attains it has nothing left for him to know. And now Sri Krishna is going to provide information or knowledge about how to attain self knowledge. So I hope that I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I will close this video. I will see you all in the next video. Take care.